James Harrington on the Stark Varg.
Let's go.
Alright, what'd you think?
That's very sick.
Yeah?
It's definitely different.
Yeah, right?
But it's if I rode this thing for a day, I feel like it'd be funner than riding my other bike.
A little easier, yeah?
Yeah. It's sick.
Got to used to like modulating the throttle a little bit, right?
Yeah.
How about the brake? Getting used to the brake?
So weird.
Yeah.
That's what I was having a hard time.
Yeah.
It's like I went so close to corners and I couldn't really tell, like, just like this.
What do you think the biggest difference you felt on it?
It just feels almost like scary in a way. Like you're on a BMX bike almost.
It's a really heavy, fast one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
exactly.
right?
It's just like you feel more like in control.
Yeah. Did you feel like in the corners, like it would just kind of stay there versus leaning up?
Way easier to turn.
What about in the air?
The air felt like fine.
Yeah.
I didn't really.
Did you have to brake that much, or did it kind of do itself? Yeah.
Yeah, it feels good.
That's why I have to regen up. So it's like, really, you're just modulating that throttle.
Yeah.
So awesome, man. Glad you liked it.
Thanks for letting me
Cool.
try.
James Harrington, Stark Varg. Yeah, dude. Yeah, Charlie rips.